Yeah.
You know the way we haven't had a video that showed off like that one Range Rover one?
Yeah.
I think we need to be more Kenyan, we need to go back to our roots. We need something that the common wananchi will agree with, and I have a dumb idea.
Oh, what are you thinking?
Well, maybe not the smartest, but a damn good idea nevertheless. Because this is the hottest new Manyanga on the block. It's the fastest and coolest way to travel if you're traveling from Nairobi to Kayole. Powered by Isuzu's indomitable 4HK1 TC Blue power engine, this Goliath puts out 153 horsepower and 402 Newton meters of torque from its 4.4 liter inline direct injection turbocharged intercooled engine, giving it all the energy it will ever need to haul, like a madman on these roads. And with its 100-liter tank, it can go for a whole day's worth of trips and still come back to its owner, who is, by the way, the most amazing person we've met. And we thank you for letting us record this video. So if you're ever traveling to Kayole, tell him NCJ says hi. Anyway, back to the video. Hey, Nairobi journey. We are in a loud Manyanga. Can't hear myself. Did you hear me?
No.
Yeah,
What did you say?
We are in a large Manyanga.
Oh,
Which means also bus.
Okay.
Essentially, not really, but I don't have. This is the definition. I hope that makes sense. But this video isn't gonna be that long because of it's so noisy that 90% of it's going to be voiceovers. But so far, how has the drive been? Because we've moved from Nairobi to Kayole Junction, and it's about 60 shillings if you're paying. Which, we have to do the due diligence and help them out. What are your thoughts?
Very loud.
Huh?
Very loud. Could not hear myself half the time. It's not uncomfortable, but it feels stuffing, kind of.
Ironically, we haven't passed the threshold of pain. Just considered loud music. Because I tested it with the sound meter app, and it shows that if you sat in here, okay, for long you would get over time permanent hearing loss. But for a short period of time, was right? Oh, the front has a seat warmer.
It does.
Yeah, no, the engine's underneath the front.
Oh.
So your bum is warm. And very hot because of the inside is all black.
It's all black, so it gets really stuffy. That's what I meant.
How is it back here?
Warm. Warm, loud, and confused. But it's not bad. There are like 11 TVs inside this thing.
I'm pretty sure 100 speakers at least. In front he has like a lever that lets him add and reduce bass. So anytime he to drop, because I was like, drop it! Just that's, yeah, so you're welcome.
My entire being was shaking.
But that's amazing. The interior design, like the casino, I love it. It looks awesome and it's unique in its own way.
Yeah, that's really cool. I like the design. And there's also LEDs hidden on the top of it.
Everything just looks, I don't know, and even I've seen why, when you sit in front, you see why, unless you're a Prado owner, they don't give a damn about you. Your car is so small, guy, inakuwa ndogo. You don't see that car, it just disappears behind you. So the driver has to have some other level of special awareness and patience for idiots.
Yeah.
Because you just see someone dash across, alafu wagonge, what do you do there? But overall, really good if you ask me, especially carrying many people, carrying static.
Yeah.
It's really cool. Really cool. So here in CBD, this Manyanga is the bazoo of buses that you will ever find. It also has some cool things in the front like oil gauges that indicate to the driver the oil's temperature, a large screen, and some bobbleheads also, just to add more character. And in case if you are wondering what's powering every single TV in the rear, there's a fuse box right behind the driver for him to have full control of every electronic in the bus. It also has 3 extra batteries because of the number of electronics, but that's just what makes it even better. This awesome bus. So if you are ever looking to hang out with friends and have a good time while you travel, you better be catching this bus. Anyway, see you in the next one.